All right, we're back, and the printer, as I talked about in the last episode, has a problem with the Chimera, 3DS Ways Chimera that's on here. And I've actually pulled it again once more, and as you can probably see here, I'll give you a close-up of that. The filament has melted into a 4mm wide section on the modem tube, and that is part of a problem. So what's happening is this whole section's melting in the heater block. This tube, unlike the E3D, actually has to go all the way down to where the nozzle would meet it, and this tube is not going through the heat break all the way down perfectly. And I've done it a couple times, and every single time it comes out like that. So obviously there's some spec problems with the size of the tube at that point. So we're going to go ahead and just remove it. We'll probably just go ahead and remove that whole tube in this case. But what we're going to do is we're going to get that Chimera from 3DS Ways off, and I'm going to pull out what I ordered. Okay, now that that's removed, we'll go ahead and open up the package I ordered. And I got this from Printed Solid, and it is my E3D HotEnd V6 All-Metal. So it's not the light version, but the full. Another thing that was nice was with talking with Printed Solid is I was able to get the 24 volt 30 watt heat cartridge, but a 12 volt fan. And that is specific to my sub just because I had 12 volt fans laying around. Normally they would, of course, on most sites charge you for an extra fan. In this case, they threw in the correct fan with no extra charges. Really nice of them to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this. Now, another thing that came in here was some Swedish fish. So that's pretty nice. They'll get eaten later. They also had some information about them and where to give your feedback, which is always a good thing. Always want to see that good feedback. This is the heater cartridge, and it is an official E3D. It has the label as E3D 24 volt 30 watt. We've got, of course, the modem tube. Inside of the little bag here, which is sealed, has a nice little perforated edge, is going to be the heatsink, some thermal compound, the actual heater block, all screws and everything to put together, plus 2 different Allen wrenches. In this guy, we've got the zip tie so we can get all the wires nice and neat, the nice heat sink to fan adapter. So we'll go ahead and get that assembled and get that installed. Okay, let's pause for a minute. I started to record the assembly of the HotEnd, but decided to take my time and use the E3D documentation listed in the description below. I wanted to do this because over time they have changed the assembly for little steps such as the thermal paste. I would recommend that you use what's on their site. It's always most up to date and will make sure you get the best installation. I'm going to show you a little teaser of the printer working for the end. Unfortunately, this didn't last long, which you'll have to wait for the next episode to find out why. And as always, enjoy what you're doing, do it every day, and don't let anyone stop you.